Which network topology connects each device to a central switch or hub? Is it A, bus? Is it B, star? Is it C, ring? Or is it D, mesh? You now have 5 seconds. And the correct answer is B, star. In a star topology, devices are connected to a central switch or hub. Imagine the star topology as a solar system with the central hub as the sun. And now for the incorrect answers. A bus topology uses a single shared communication line. A ring topology connects devices in a circular path, and the mesh topology connects devices to each other directly. And for the next question of our exam, question number 2. And the question states, what might cause a printer to produce faded or light prints? Choose 2. Is it A, low ink or tonal levels? Is it B, paper jams? Is it C, incorrect print settings? Or is it D, overheating? You now have 5 seconds. And the correct answers are A and C, low ink or toner levels and incorrect print settings. Low ink or toner and incorrect settings can result in faded prints. Imagine low ink levels as an almost empty pen producing faint lines. And now for the incorrect answers. Paper jams may disrupt printing but don't cause faded prints. Overheating isn't a common cause of faded prints. And for the next question of our exam, question number 3. And the question states, what hardware feature enables touch input on mobile devices? Choose 1. Is it A, accelerometer? Is it B, microphone? Is it C, stylus? Or is it D, touchscreen? You now have 5 seconds. And the correct answer is D, touchscreen. A touchscreen allows users to interact by touch gestures. Think of a touchscreen like a virtual canvas you can tap and swipe on. And for the incorrect answers, the accelerometer detects orientation, not touch. The microphone captures audio, not touch. And the stylus is a tool for precise input but isn't necessary for touch. And for the next question of our exam, question number 4. And the question states, which hardware component stores instructions and data for the computer to boot up? Choose 1. Is it A, CPU? Is it B, hard drive? Is it C, RAM? Or is it D, ROM? You now have 5 seconds. And the correct answer is D, ROM. ROM, or read-only memory, stores permanent instructions for booting. Think of ROM as a library containing essential books for starting the computer. And for the incorrect answers, the CPU processes instructions but doesn't store boot data, the hard drive stores data but doesn't hold boot instructions, and RAM, or random access memory, stores temporary data but not permanent boot instructions. And for the next question of our exam, question number 5. And the question states, which virtualization technology allows multiple operating systems to run simultaneously on a single physical machine? Choose 1. Is it A, virtual private network or VPN? Is it B, hypervisor? Is it C, network attached storage or NAS? Or is it D, remote desktop protocol or RDP? You now have 5 seconds. And the correct answer is B, hypervisor. A hypervisor enables multiple operating system instances on one physical machine. Think of hypervisor like a landlord managing multiple apartments. And for the incorrect answers, virtual private network or VPN is for secure network connections. A NAS or a network attached storage is for data storage, not virtualization. And RDP or remote desktop protocol is for remote access, not virtualization. And for the next question of our exam, question number 6. And the question states, what operational procedure involves securely wiping data from a decommissioned hard drive? Choose 1. Is it A, data migration? Is it B, system restore? Is it C, data sanitization? Or is it D, firmware update? You now have 5 seconds. And the correct answer is C, data sanitization. Data sanitization securely removes data from drives to prevent recovery. Think of data sanitization as shredding sensitive documents. And now for the incorrect answers. Data migration transfers data between systems. System restore reverts a system to a previous state. And firmware updates improve device functionality. And for the next question of our exam, question number 7. And the question states, which type of malware disguises itself as a legitimate software but actually performs malicious actions? Choose 1. Is it A, worm? Is it B, Trojan? Is it C, rootkit? Or is it D, spyware? You now have 5 seconds. And the correct answer is B, Trojan. A Trojan masquerades as a legitimate software to deceive users. Think of a Trojan as a Trojan horse carrying hidden dangers. And for the correct answers, a worm is a self-replicating program, not disguised software. A rootkit hides malicious activity but isn't disguised software. And spyware monitors users' activity but it isn't necessarily disguised. And for the next question of our exam, question number 8. And the question states, what is the purpose of a firewall in network security? Choose 2. Is it A, to encrypt data traffic? Is it B, to block unauthorized access? Is it C, to secure physical hardware? Or is it D, to monitor printer activity? You now have 5 seconds. And the correct answers are B and D, to block unauthorized access and to monitor printer activity. Firewalls block unauthorized network access and can monitor printer activity. Think of a firewall as a security guard checking IDs at a building entrance. And for the incorrect answers, encryption secures data during transmission, and physical security protects devices but isn't a firewall's main role. And for the next question of our exam, question number 9. And the question states, what type of software issue might cause an application to crash repeatedly after installation? Choose 2. Is it A, corrupted driver? Is it B, incorrect network configuration? Is it C, insufficient hard drive space? Or is it D, outdated operating system? And now 5 seconds. And the correct answers are A and D. Corrupted driver and outdated operating system. Corrupted drivers and outdated OS can cause application crashes. Think of corrupted drivers as misbehaving translators between hardware and software. And now for the incorrect answers. Incorrect network configuration. Network config issues don't usually cause crashes, and insufficient hard drive space. Space issues might affect app performance but not crashes. And for the last question of our exam, question number 10. And the question states, what operational procedure involves regularly applying software updates to fix vulnerabilities? Choose 2. Is it A, patch management? Is it B, asset disposal? Is it C, password recovery? Or is it D, hard drive defragmentation? And now 5 seconds. And the correct answers are A and C, patch management and password recovery. Patch management updates software to address security vulnerabilities. Think of patch management as maintaining a building to prevent leaks. And for the incorrect answers, disposal is about removing old equipment, and hard drive defragmentation improves disk performance but isn't related to vulnerabilities. Don't forget to read all the questions carefully. Don't rush and make sure you fully understand what is presented in the exam. Take your time to memorize all the acronyms and what they represent. Also make sure that you go through all the exam objectives from the CompTIA official website so you know what subjects to expect on your exam day. For a more comprehensive list of exams, you can check my Udemy instructor channel where I have posted a number of exams for the CompTIA A+ test. The test consists of 90 questions each and they are very similar to the official CompTIA exam. The link to my Udemy channel is presented down in the channel's description. Ladies and gents, this is the end of our exam. If and only if you found this video informative, make sure to drop a sub and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you guys next time. Peace!